بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Are you getting this message on your Google Creator Studio? Verify that it's you or too many failed attempts. No matter how many times you try, the page just won't open. This happens when Google temporarily locks your Creator Studio access because of too many verification attempts. But don't worry, I found a 100% working fix. Just stop opening your Creator Studio for 3 days. That's 72 hours. After waiting, the problem automatically disappears, and everything works perfectly again. Problem solved. Like and subscribe for more easy Google fixes.
Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.